Hey elites, it is Steve, and tonight I'm going to show you an exercise that has 4 different progressions. And I love exercises like this because as you get stronger, you can try to master each different progression. If you're like me, you want to string them all together, you can string all progressions together. Stay with me to the end of the video and I will give you a tip that will make each progression very difficult. See you soon. Hey elites, welcome back old subscribers and welcome new subscribers to my channel. I am very excited. I'm approaching the 190 mark. Thank you so much, and we're closing in on 45,000 views. That's just incredible to me. Can't wait to hit the 50K. So let's get into this routine. I'm going to show you this exercise and I'm going to show you some ways the body will cheat when doing this exercise so you know exactly what to do. Alright, let's get into it. We are going to be in a supine position. I'm going to show you the first level of this routine. Okay, so when we're doing this, first and foremost, you want to have your head down. I might just come up to talk to you guys, but there's a huge muscle called the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and it's going to want to push your head up when you do this routine. So don't pull your head up. I'll occasionally do it, as I said, when I talk to you. All right, so let's look what this routine's about. You're going to try to find a weight that you can do this exercise. So the exercise, first level, is your feet going to be down, knees up like this. You're going to start off with the weights like this. And we're going to do shoulder flexion. So come down, you're going to tap, and then come back, and you're going to tap, and that's the first movement. Now, I'm going to show you if the weight is too much, what might happen to you, then you know you have to have a regression. So first off, when you're in this, when you're coming down right here, it's these right before the bottom, and right here is the hardest part of the exercise. So if the weight is too much for you, you're going to do this and just slam the weights on the ground. That's not the routine. We want it nice and controlled, bounce down, and come right back up. Now, when you're coming back in flexion, what you want to watch out for is the same thing. You're coming down, you don't want to have the weights just hit down like that. You want to just come back, tap, and come back like that. Now, if the weight's also too much, you'll find as you come back in flexion that your arms, your elbows will bend, and that's what you'll do. That's not the exercise. So again, let's look at the correct way. Head down, start off with the weight. So you'll take a breath. Breathe out, tap, breathe in, breathe out, and tap. And that is the very first stage of the routine. Okay, next stage is we're going to get the core involved. We're going to come up just like that in a bridge, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Breathe in, breathe out, tap, breathe in, breathe out, tap. First progression, just like that. What you want to watch out for is when you're in this point like this, that you don't start sagging down. You want to stay up like that. What you can do is just squeeze your glutes when you're doing that, and that'll help you out with the exercise. Next, number 3. What you want to do, you want to have a leg out. Now, when you have the leg out, this other leg, this quad, push down into the floor when you're up in the bridge. So I'm up in the bridge, this leg's up. You're going to take a breath. Breathe in. Breathe out, just like that. And then you can switch legs. Again, hold on. I'm going to fix my shirt. So this leg is up. And you can string these together. So breathe in, tap, come back, just like that. All right, that's the third. Next one, the fourth progression, my favorite, looks like this. Feet off the ground. Off the ground the entire time. You're going to start up here, legs come up, tap, big stretch here, keep the legs up, tap, and just repeat. So if you stayed with me for the entire video, I'm going to show you what you can do to make all these really difficult, is have an isometric hold. So if you were doing it, let's say we're doing fourth phase, like that, you want to come down and have a hold right here, tap, have a hold again, then come back, have a hold, tap, and have a hold again, and then come up and repeat. If you like this video, press like. And if you want to be a part of my success to that 1,000 subscriber mark, hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow on Tip Tuesday. Take care. Peace.